Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in Canva per slide. So adding a voiceover to each slide is helpful because it lets you explain your presentation clearly while the viewer follows along with the visuals. So this can make your Canva presentation feel more personal, easier to understand, and more engaging. So to start, open up your Canva presentation project, and once you are inside the editor, go to the left side of the screen and click Upload. So from there, look for the option that says Record Yourself, then click it. After clicking it, Canva will take you to the recording screen. You may see your camera turned on, and you should see the audio indicator moving when you speak. So that movement shows that Canva is picking up your voice. And if you do not want to show your camera, you can simply turn the camera off and record audio only. And when you are ready, click the record button and start speaking for the slide that you are working on. So for example, you can explain what the slide is about, introduce the topic, or describe the details shown on the screen. And once you finish recording that part, click Done. After that, Canva will add the recording to your slide. You can play it back to check if the audio sounds correct. And if everything sounds good, move to this next slide and repeat the same steps. Click Record Yourself again, record the voiceover for that slide, then click Done when you are finished. So continue doing this for each slide until every part of your presentation has its own voiceover. And once all recordings are added, click Save and Exit. After saving, you can present your Canva slides and play the presentation to make sure that the voiceover works properly on each slide. And that is how you add a voiceover in Canva per slide. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.